Hello everyone, I'm the Quickster. Want to see me bowl a strike? Want to see me do it again?
I'm Zach, and I'm on What's Up Wildcats.
My name's Jordan Zeiler, and never high-five me after a bad frame.
My name's Emma Arnold, and I always forget.
Hi, I'm Aaron Tucker, and I bowl so hard I have to use two hands.
I'm Simon Cross. Linda! Get over here!
I'm Nathan Yonker.
And I'm Julia Harmon, and our handshake is better than our bowling skills.
Nut!
Bang!
Hi, I'm Megan Flitter, and the only thing I'm good at is yelling at my straight ball to move. Get over, man.
Hi, I'm Marshall Hooper, and Tyler left me here for good.
I'm Blake Kepler, and this is JV Bowling.
They don't trust me to hold a bowling ball. I got sweaty hands. I trust it.